So if you're looking for one of the cheapest virtual cards online to make payment from Nigeria, Gray is one of these guys. So I've been doing a lot of research again, and if you follow this channel before, you know that I talk a lot about virtual cards and all of that. So today I want to show you how to create a virtual card on Gray and what you need to do for you to create a virtual card. So the first thing is actually to create an account on Gray, and I already have a video on that, so it's really straightforward. Now we want to create a card, a virtual card that we can use for online purchases like on Amazon, eBay, AliExpress, and a whole lot of them. So we need a virtual dollar card for that. Apple Music, Spotify, basically anything that you need to make a transaction with using foreign currency. So once you are logged in, you want to come here where you have cards, and before you create a card, you need to have $5. So Gray charges you a one-time fee of $4 for the card and $1 for your top-up. It's sort of high, but that's where we are these days. So if you come to cards here, as you can see, I already have $5 there. But before we do that, let me show you how to actually add money and convert it to dollars. So the first thing you need to do is you need to come to your NGN account. So if you create a Gray account, they are going to give you an NGN account. So once you come there, you can click on add money, and then you can add via bank transfer. All right. So once you click on bank transfer, it's going to give you a bank account that you need to send money to. So this is my own bank account. You are going to send it to, this is the bank name, Wema Bank. But how do you know how much you want to send? This is how you do it. You come here, you come to convert fund, and on Gray, the prices changes every day, or the price changes every day. So you want to first select that you are converting from naira and you are converting to dollar. You can convert to the other currency like British pound and all of that, but in most cases we'll be using the dollar. So you want to select dollars here, and you come here, you just put $1, so you know how much they charge you for $1. So currently this is going to be how much they charge per $1 as at when I'm making this video. So it can go up, it can come down, but this is it, and it's going to cost us 1,652 naira 71 kobo. So if we wanted to fund, let's say $10, we'll be sending around 16,527 naira, and this is a conversion fee. So Gray also charges you a conversion fee for converting from naira to dollar. Again, this is the situation of the country, and the sad thing is that they're actually one of the fairest guys out there, which is ironic. So you come here, you come to cards, and you want to create a card. So once you send your naira, convert it to dollar, you'll be ready to create a card. And they tell us where we can use this card: Netflix, Apple Music, Shopify, bookings.com, ASOS, Amazon, blah blah blah. So you come here, you click on get started. So like I said, they are going to charge you $4, and the card top-up fee is $1. So if you're okay with that, you can proceed. So I need to zoom this back out so that I can see the button here. So you can come here, click I confirm to pay, and what is going to happen, you just click on create a virtual card, and it will debit you. As you can see, it says that all done, my card has been created. So this is basically how you can create your card on gray.co. So now let's talk about funding the card. Again, to fund the card, you do the same thing. You can fund it with naira, you can fund it with any of the currency here. So you are basically swapping it. All right. So currently I do not have enough money, so I'm just going to go and send money to my naira bank account, and in the next video I'm going to try to actually use this card to make a payment to see if it is going to work for what I actually need it for. So if you want to see that part of the video, then subscribe and watch out for my next video. I hope this very video has helped you. If yes, please like it, and again, if you want to create an account on Gray, I'm going to put the link in the description of the video, so you can create your account. I'll see you.